Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Today we're going to be making Koban salatasi, also called shepherd salad, and it's a main dish for Turkey. So what you need for this is a huge mixing bowl, cider vinegar, black olives, pepper, salt, cucumber, spring onion, parsley or celery, the leaves, not the stalk, 2 big fat juicy tomatoes, bell peppers. I'm using 3 colors for the beautifulness of it, 2 lemons, and a cutting board, measuring cup, and a knife. Tomatoes first. They give you the most juice and the most color. Tomatoes, cube them equally. Cut the tomatoes, leaving the top parts. After you get them, put them back into a ball, just like how the tomato came in, right? Sideways. Like that.
Same thing with the second one. The knife's not sharp enough, but it still works. And for beginners, don't cut the whole thing at once. Take 3 or 4 slices first. Like that. Now, all pull it this way. There you go. Yeah. Cubes that are uneven and rigid parts. Okay, that's good. You can time lapse this part, right, Cass? Ready?
Next thing you need is parsley or celery and the stem. Cut the stems with the leaves. Try to get, a little leaves in there too. Don't take the whole thing though. Okay. Now that is your celery and parsley. You're done cutting them and cubing them. Put them in your salad. So now you have tomatoes, cucumber, and parsley. Last thing you need is, not the last thing, but like very close to the end, spring onions. And for your disclaimer, yes, we've washed our hands. Spring onions, same thing, hold them tight. Just press down firm and tight. You can go fast if you're pro. Okay, just like that. It doesn't matter if it's equal or not. Spring onions. After spring onions, now to the bell peppers. This will be a little bit difficult. First things first is cut the top off, just like that. Pull the stem out from the middle. This is the stem. This is the good part you want. Saving as the second one, I'm gonna just show you real fast.
Head off, top, finger in, pull. There you go, now you have 2. Last example for you. Head, press, out. Hand in, hold, pull. So something like that.
Okay, next step is you cube all of these. These I took from the head. When you pull the stem out, you can take some of the meat out, so don't waste any. You cube these and they're gonna look like this. Bro, have you ever wondered how Arabian people in their costumes pee or use the restroom? How are they gonna use a urinal when they're like in this costume? Think about it.
Okay, we're gonna cut the onions, so dip them in. Same thing, in. This one has spring onions as well. Be careful this one, because you add them in. Okay, now the colorful stuff. Pinch of salt. Ready, wash your hands. Pinch of salt. I think that's a little too less. I'm gonna put a little more salt. Like that. And then, okay, so the last step, not the last yet. Lemon. 1 whole juicy fat lemon. These lemons don't get all the juice anyway, so you're gonna squeeze the whole thing in. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, lemon. In, last slice. In, okay. Wow, I can smell that. I know. And then a touch of pepper, preferably black pepper. A touch in this case, it has to be proportion to the portion. And my blender is pretty small, so okay, some black pepper. We're nearly on the last things to put in. Put 1/4 cup of olive oil, so it's a little bit more oily. Actually, half of 1/4 cup is enough, in my opinion. Okay, olive oil in. This is vinegar, cider. Okay, this is also, how do you call it? This is also sour, so just a little touch is enough. This stuff is super sour. It's just for the scent of it. Okay. And on the last step, these bad boys right here. Make the juices come all together and blend the juices. So these are black olives. They're pitted and they're German and then Mexican ones to it too. So, okay, black olives. So how you can make it work is you mix it with a spoon. You try to get all the olives out without the juice because the juice is what you really want. Take around, I think 10 olives would be the perfect amount. So, okay.
And then you cut these olives into big slices. I think half is a good one, because black olives are usually smaller than green olives, and we're only using black olives. So, and by the way, don't take any extra juices out from the olive thing. These olives have been sitting in this juice for a long time, so they probably carry enough juice anyway. And now since you have all the olives, they go in. Okay. For the last step, all you want to do is mix them up. So I'm just gonna go in, mix them up, show you the colors. Woo, look at that guys, look at that. Look at all the colors. I'm gonna mix them up good. The juices, everything, the lemon is gonna make all the vegetable smell go away. This is what you call Koben salatasi, or shepherd salad. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Today we're gonna make the rice pudding for the Saudi Arabia.
Very delicious, huh?
This is very delicious. So what you need is a pot, some fire or heat, anything, some rice. This is rice from all the way from Thailand. From Thailand, very good rice. Some cinnamon. So this is powdered cinnamon. Have a smell. Have a smell. Have a smell. Have a smell. Yeah. We need some sugar, some water, a liter of milk. This is 2 liters, but some rice flour imported from all the way from Thailand.
Another bowl.
A mixing cup, a teaspoon, and a tablespoon. Cups. That's all you need.
You see this rice? You put them in the pot carefully. And then get some water.
Okay, so now while the rice is in, we're gonna put in 1 liter of any kind of milk. I'm using whole milk. Sorry, Mr. Snell, this is whole milk. Okay, we're gonna put around this is 2 liters. 1 liter would be around halfway, so I'm just gonna freehand this.
Okay.
And now, next step after this, wait until it boils. Okay. So while the milk is there, come to the flour. So cut your flour. We're gonna need 3 tablespoons of 3 tablespoons of flour. So we're just gonna go ham on it.
Okay, that's 1. Okay, that's 2. Oh, sorry. And then 3 tablespoons. I'm just gonna go for 4 so it gets a little better consistency. Okay, 4 tablespoons.
So now while we're waiting for this to boil, which is gonna take another 30 minutes, we're coming to the next part. Once again, 3 spoons of flour. This is a cup, 2 cups of warm milk, so the flour melts. With the flour mixes. Okay. Whisk it up, make sure it's warm, or else it's not gonna work. Whisk it up until there's no flour left. It's not heating fast enough.
Whisk it so you can make sure that nothing's burning underneath.
Okay, now since the milk and rice start to boil, take your concussion over here, which is flour and milk.
A lot of sugar.
Put that in. This is flour. So you can tell there's still flour on it. And now put in 1 cup and a half of sugar. This is 1 cup and a half of sugar. We're gonna put 1 in at a time. That's 1 cup and a half. And the reason why the sugar is brown over here is it's stevia, which is another type of sugar, which is less calories. The sugar's in. Start mixing this non-stop. It's gonna start to bulk up and everything. Okay, now we just wait until it bulks up. Okay, after it starts boiling, this is the final product. As you can see, it's just rice and milk. It will only harden when it freezes, so I'm just gonna start putting it into the container. I think it'd be faster if I start pouring it, so we'll be right back.
Okay. Yo, I can smell though. Smells good. Hell, man.